Hello, this is Dzemil Beganovic, and in this video we'll be continuing on the process of how to merge records, step number 2. So to quickly recap, step number 1 was to select the record that you'd like to merge and export that from the database into a template file that looks like this. The second step is to import that same data into record number 1 that you'd like to keep, specifically into the material log section here. Now, the way that we're going to go about this is to first export a template that we'll use to import the material log section, and then we'll copy over the data from that initial export in step number 1, and then we'll import that into the material log section. So to do that, we'll head over to the admin panel, click on Import Export, click on Format Editor, and we'll select Resources. We'll click on the plus button here next to Materials, scroll down to Material Log, click on Format, and Manual Log Entries. Now, on the Properties subtab, we'll make sure that the filter is turned on and that it's specifically entry date is empty. Of course, that'll give us 0 records because every single record in Cartograph gets an entry date assigned to it automatically, so there are no records in the database that have an empty entry date. But we apply this filter in order to then export a 0 values template, and that is basically a file with 0 records. And once that loads, we'll see that there's 0 records in there. We can open that up into the file that we'll use to import our data. So there's 0 records in this export. Click on that. And we'll see that if we do a split screen, the records that we exported from step number 1 is on the left-hand side, and the template that we just exported from the material log section is on the right-hand side. As you can see, these are the same exact fields except for cell A1. It's slightly different, so we want to leave this as is and simply copy over our data from step number 1's file over into this template. Okay, and the material ID that we want to use is not the 717, but it's rather the 716. That is the file, or rather the record that we want to keep. Okay, so this tells the database, minimize this left-hand side, this tells the database that we want to import a material log record for parent record 716, and this is exactly the metadata from the merged record from step number 1. So we'll go ahead and save this now, and we'll X out, go back to Format Editor, and it will remember our spot here. So all we have to do is simply click Import, select Data Source, click on Manual Log Entries, Open, and Import. And that will save 1 record. If we go back to the Resources tab, in that parent record 716, the one that we want to keep, we'll see now that there is a material log record of the initial merged record that we selected, the 717. So in this case, we have now retained that original copy, 716, and in the material log section, there is that merged record as metadata. Now, in step number 3, in the next video, we'll show how to actually go about deleting this from the database.